back to our channel. Today we are going to see new topic prokaryotes. First of all, what is prokaryotes? Prokaryotes are simple and single cell organisms that do not have a true nucleus or membrane bound organelles. Their genetic material is present freely in the cytoplasm in a region called the nucleoid. They are the oldest and most primitive forms of life on Earth. Characteristics of prokaryotes. Prokaryotes are unicellular organisms. They do not have a true nucleus. Their DNA is circular and lies freely in the nuclear region. They have 70 ribosomes for protein synthesis. Most prokaryotes reproduce asexual by binary fission. Some prokaryotes have flagella for movement. They are microscopic in size, usually ranging from 0.2 to 10 mm. Structure of a prokaryotic cell. First, cell wall. The cell wall provides shape, strength and protection to the cell. In bacteria, it is mainly composed of peptidoglycans. Second, plasma membrane. The plasma membrane surrounds the cytoplasm and controls the movement of substances into and out of the cell. Third, cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance where metabolic activities occur. It contains ribosomes and other cellular materials. Fourth, nuclei. The nucleoid is the region where the circular and DNA is located. It is not surrounded by a nuclear membrane. Fifth, ribosomes. Prokaryotic cell contains 17 ribosomes, which are responsible for protein synthesis. Sixth, capsule. Some prokaryotes have a capsule outside the cell wall. It protects the cell wall from drying and helps it attach to surfaces. Seventh, flagella. Flagella are long white-like structures that help the cell move. 8. Pili. Pili are short hair-like structures that help the cell attach to surfaces and transfer genetic material during conjugation. 9th. Plasmids. Plasmids are small circular DNA molecules that carry extra genes such as antibiotic-resistant genes. Nutrition in prokaryotes. Prokaryotes show different modes of nutrition: autotrophic prokaryotes and heterotrophic prokaryotes. Reproduction in prokaryotes. Prokaryotes reproduce mainly by binary fission, in which one parent cell divides into two individual daughter cells. Some bacteria also exchange genetic material through conjugation, transformation and transduction. Habitat. Prokaryotes are found almost everywhere on Earth. They live in soil, water, inside living organisms, and even in extreme environments such as hot springs, salt lakes, deep oceans, and polar regions. Importance of prokaryotes. Usual effects of prokaryotes. They help decompose dead organic material. They improve soil fertility through nitrogen fixation. They are used in making curd, cheese. Harmful effects. Some bacteria causes disease in humans, animals and plants. They spoil food and reduce its quality. Some bacteria produce toxins that cause food poisoning. Examples of prokaryotes: E. coli, Bacillus subtilis, Lactobacillus, Nostoc, Anabaena, Methanobacteria. Today's question: what are prokaryotes? What is the microbial prokaryotes? Thank you for watching. Share your thoughts in the comment box. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.